is popular all over the world. It has different varieties and is found in variety of colors. It makes it look very beautiful. The one we're going to make today is in green color. So take a green sheet of paper, turn it sideways and fold the top corner to the bottom corner. Unfold it to get a center line. Now fold the bottom corner to the center line, beginning to fold from the right corner. Then fold the top corner also to the center line, beginning to fold from the right corner. Now you have a white colored triangle on the left side. Now this has to be folded on the back side like a mountain fold. You can also flip it over if you find it easier. Flip it over again. And you can just shift if you like it, or do it in the same way, whichever side is comfortable for you. Now next thing you need to do is fold this top corner downwards to the center line, beginning to fold from this center line here on the left side. So the left flap gets folded. Once again, let me make it clear for you. Fold in this top left corner to the center line, beginning to fold from the corner of the top flap which is at the center line. Similarly, fold the bottom left corner, beginning to fold from the center line here, and bring this bottom corner also to the center line. Press your folds. Now, you have to make another fold, which is very crucial here. Fold it all along these lines or the edges that you see from this top end to the center line. So let's just fold it. This, unfold, and you see a line here. Now fold from this bottom end or the corner on the bottom side to the center line, all along this edge that you see, like this. You will know very shortly why we have made these lines. So you have made a line all along the edges here. Open this flap at the bottom and lift this bottom flap. See, you have unfolded it. And fold it along the line that you have made, this, and bring it to the outside. Let me do it again for you. You have brought this corner from the center line, which was at the top of the center line, to the outside. You make a mountain fold like this and bring it to the bottom. It's outside the edge. Let's do it to the top corner now. Open up. Just push in with your finger. And this corner, which is at the top of the center line, will come to the outside. Fold it along the line. And you have both the tips pointing outwardly. Fold the top side to the bottom. Fold it into half. Now you have a white colored triangle on the left side. Made a mountain fold at this tip. Let's make the feet properly. What you have done is made a mountain fold at this tip. And this tip ends up coming outside like that, so that it looks like the claws of the parrot. So it's coming outside the edge. Gives it a proper shape. And now let's make the beak. So make a mountain fold at the tip here in such a way that you can see the beak coming from beneath. That's it. Now you've already given a proper shape to the parrot. Just do a little more detailing. Let's make an eye here. And there's this red line all along the neck, and this beak which you see from beneath. Parrots are vegetarians. They do not eat worms like some other birds do. They love eating guavas and green chilies. It looks amazingly pretty.